Assalamualaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will talk about the topic on towards exploring few mathematical facts of Surah Al Kawthar, the smallest chapter of the Holy Quran. We are now at part number 3. We know that uh, Surah Al Kawthar of Holy Quran is the smallest chapter of uh, this Quran, and it is Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Inna a'atainaka al-kawthar fasalli li rabbika wanhar inna shani'aka huwal abtar. Uh, let's see this table number 1. This table shows the abjad values of the 28 alphabets of the Arabic language, and this table is well known to all and used or practiced by the researchers as well as for calculation also. Uh, this is the table 2, 3, and 4. This table is for first ayat, Inna a'tainaka al-kawthar. Table 3 is for Fasalli li rabbika wanhar, and table 4 is for Inna shani'aka huwal abtar. Here actually the all the alphabets of the first ayat is shown. For example, first alphabet is alif, second is noon, third is again alif, fourth is again alif, fifth is ain. So here also alif, noon, alif, alif, ain, and so on. For the second table is same. First is fa. We see this the first alphabet is fa, and last is ra. So last is ra. And for the third ayat is also this table is produced. And for first alphabet, the abjad value is shown here. The table we have seen in the first in this slide. Here also it is brought on, and the abjad values are actually put here. For example, for toa, the abjad value is 9, so 9 is actually put here. For alif, it is 1, so 1 is put here. For second ayat, for example, for kaf, the kaf's abjad value is actually 20, so 20 is shown here. For a third ayat, inna shani'aka huwal abtar. For example, for ra, the abjad value is 200, and it is actually here it will be, sorry. For ra, it is actually 200, so 200 is actually put here. So likewise, all the alphabets are actually shown here. Let's go to the next slide. Here in table number 5, the abjad based analysis on lateral arrangement is made. Let me explain it first. Here, all the ayats are actually put here. 3 ayats in the Surah Al Kawthar. So the abjad values of all the alphabets are actually put on here. That means the things we have seen here in this slide actually. So these 3 columns are actually put here, and the numerical values here are actually extracted from the lateral uh, position. That means for ayat 1, 2, 3, the first values are 1, 80, and 1. So this number is 1, 80, and 1. And for example, for these 10, 20, and 20, 10, 20, and 20. And likewise, all the numerical values are actually put on. For example, here 200 and 200, so 200 and 200. And the total, the summation is actually put here. These values actually analyzed in this column. Here we actually put the divisible numbers here. For example, if we focus on this value, we see that these are the divisible numbers. That means if we multiply these all values, we get this number. And of course, this is a prime number. So the comment is actually prime. It is not divisible by anything. So except the number itself and one, it is not divisible by anything. So it falls in the category of the prime number. This number is actually the multiplication of these numbers. Same case is for this number also. This number is a prime, so it is comment is prime. So again, this number is actually the result of the multiplication of these two numbers. And here an additional comment is made. It is divisible by 3. It is divisible by 3. So whether it is divisible by 3 or not, the comment are made. Here there is no comment. Here there is no comment because it is not divisible by 3. So there is no comment. Here we see the multiplied numbers, which after multiplication comes to this number. So these are the explanation of this section. If we go for the numerical values of the numbers in the reverse fashion, that means from original fashion, 1 comes first, then 80, and then 1. So 1, 80, and 1. In reverse fashion, if we go, then we see that this thing comes first, and 80 comes after that, and after that 1. So 1, 80, and 1. So though these numbers are actually same, looks same, yet it actually extracted in this one is actually extracted in reverse pattern. Here also 50, 90, and 50, 50, 90, and 50. Here we see that 300 comes first, 30 second, and 1 is after that. The 300 comes first, 30 after that, and 1 is after at last. So in this way, the numerical values of the are gathered in reverse order. Just like this column, the comments are made. That means whether they are prime or divisible by 3. These are actually put here, and these values are also. If we multiply these values, we get the number or value of this column, and the total summation of these values are actually put here. So let's go to the next slide. Uh, let's go to the next slide. This is the results section, and we know that Surah Al Kawthar has 3 ayats, and abjad based literal arrangement uh, are made in table number 5, and these are made actually on literal arrangement. So here we see that there are 3 prime numbers in both ordered and reverse ordered pattern. That means these are the 3 numbers in ordered. That means this is a prime number, this is another prime number, this is another prime number. So 3 prime numbers in ordered pattern, and 3 reverse in reverse ordered pattern. Also there are 3 prime numbers. We see when these values are actually put in this result section. So 3 prime numbers in both ordered and reverse ordered pattern. Second point is also there are 3 numbers divisible by 3 in both ordered and reverse ordered pattern. 3 numbers divisible by 3. So here if we see that in ordered pattern we have 3 divisible numbers. That means these are the numbers, this one, this one, and this one. These are the divisible numbers 3 by 3, and these are actually ordered pattern. And if we go for the reverse ordered pattern, we also see the same number of divisible values, 1, 2, and this is number 3. So these values are actually put on here. This is these are the 3 numbers for reverse ordered pattern, and these are the 3 numbers for ordered pattern. And interestingly, both are in 3 numbers. Remaining 9 numbers, the remaining number is 9. for non-prime plus non-divisible by 3. That means if we go for non-prime, this is non-prime, this is non-prime, this is non-prime, uh, and also this is a non-prime. These are actually 9 in numbers. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 numbers are here, comprising non-prime and non-divisible by 3. These are actually 9 numbers for both ordered case and for reverse ordered case. Same similarity. Here we get 3 numbers, 3, 3 and 9. Interestingly, if we combine these, the number is 339. These are also divisible by 3. Mind it, we have started the first point as Surah Al Kawthar has 3 ayats. Next slide. Ordered and reverse ordered arrangement in table 5. The sum of the ordered arrangement is this number, and sum of the reverse ordered arrangement is this number. That means these are the two numbers, 870-7518 and 67990509. That means here actually these numbers are put on, and we see that both numbers are divisible by 3. Also, the digit sum of both numbers is 9. That means these are the digit sum, and we see that these are actually 9 and divisible by 3. Therefore, it can be said that a stunning symmetry exists in both the patterns. That means ordered pattern as well as reverse pattern. Positioning of each haraf is made in such a way that any dislocation can cause mismatch in calculation. We find these kinds of similarity only because that these harfs are positioned in such a mathematical precision. Therefore, we can say that positioning of each harf is made in such a way that any dislocation can cause mismatch in calculation. So much similarity. Subhanallah. That's all. Assalamualaikum wa rahmatullah.